32 billion parameter open model just went toe-to-toe with Claude Opus 4.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro on long, grindy tasks. Here's the twist. The researchers never trained it to be better at the task itself. They trained it to do one thing, manage its own memory. That's it. And performance doubled. Sometimes quadrupled. AutoMem. Turns out memory is a skill. Cognitive scientists have a word for this: metamemory. It's not how much you can remember. It's knowing what's worth writing down and when to go dig it back up. Humans do it without thinking. Most AI agents are terrible at it. They either forget everything or they drown in their own notes. So the paper does something clean. It gives the agent a file system, and it promotes reading and writing files to first-class actions, right next to move and attack. The model itself decides mid-task when to jot something down and when to look it back up. Memory stops being a bolt-on feature. It becomes a move you can make. Then they automate the learning because nobody's reading a 1,000-step playthrough by hand. Loop 1. A strong LLM reads the agent's entire run and rewrites the memory system, the file layout, the prompts, the rules. Loop 2. Whenever the agent makes a good memory decision, that moment becomes training data. It learns to remember by studying its own best saves. The test beds are 3 brutal, procedurally generated games: Crafter, MiniHack, and NetHack. The kind where you take thousands of steps, and one dumb mistake 3 hours ago quietly ends your run. Optimizing memory alone, with the task behavior left untouched, improved the base agent by 2 to 4 times. Enough to pull a small open model level with the frontier. The part worth caring about: everyone's throwing bigger models and longer context windows at long horizon problems. This paper suggests the bottleneck was never raw intelligence. It was memory management, a separate, learnable skill. Bolt it onto a smaller model and you close the gap for a fraction of the cost. Now the fine print, because I'm not selling you anything. This is one paper posted July 1st, with no independent replication yet. And it's video games, long horizon, sure, but still a sandbox, not your actual codebase. Promising is not the same as proven. Watch for someone else reproducing this before you rewrite your whole agent stack. Still, memory is a trainable skill is a genuinely clean idea, and if it holds up, it's a big one. If you like research breakdowns that hand you the caveats instead of the hype, subscribe. New ones every week. Go on, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.